बेलम पैकेज में सब कुछ है. देखिए बेलम पैकेज में क्या क्या है. इट इंक्लूड्स ऑल adaptation finance. मतलब for the adaptation also, for the changes also, you will be needing finance. You will be needing the just transition. You will be needing the trade finance. You will be needing the gender means the whosoever will be participating in this. Technology you will be requiring in that. So Belem package is a amalgamation of all those things that you require to do the project. अगर आपसे कुछ पूछा जाए कि आपको ये करने के लिए क्या क्या चीज इंग्रेडिएंट्स चाहिए, so you'll tell ना मुझे ये चाहिए, मुझे ये चाहिए, मुझे ये चाहिए. Just like that, Vellum package is a sum of all those things you will need to perform. अगर फाइनेंस नहीं होगा बाकी सब होगा, you will be able to get through that? No. अगर फाइनेंस है लेकिन लोग नहीं है काम करने के लिए, you will be able to get through that? No. And also this time, COP is also focusing on that. Even the COP29, they focused on that there should be some gender responsive climatic agendas also that should be taken up. Only which are more responsive to the gender, particular gender, women, etc. So that what can happen, therein you can target. For example, अगर migration होता है, so migration में किसी भी वजह से हो सकता है, climatic changes की वजह से हो सकता है. इस migration में कितना ज्यादा males are getting impacted, no doubt, but the females are getting impacted in much more way, more than the ways in which the men are getting impacted, right? The more, what you have to understand, you have to make a agenda which is more responsive in nature, particularly responsive to those gender. Okay, so that has to be also highlighted. So men and women are getting impacted through the same event in a different manner. That is never has been highlighted. Although in some reports it must have been highlighted, but it has been never been put on the table. Whenever we had a discussion in the COP, there were not any discussion, not any agenda which has been taken, particularly that how women and men are getting impacted and how different are their paths when the migration is happening. Because they do have children, they have to take care of other things also. There is women dignity also has to be maintained when they are migrating. There are not many things that has to be taken care of.